Can you build more than brands?
Can you lead movements people actually feel?
Fashion today is more than design,
It is commerce,
culture.
experience.
The global fashion industry is set to cross $3 trillion by 2030.
Experiential marketing is growing rapidly worldwide.
The opportunity is massive.
But first,
You need the JD Edge.
at JD
Our MBA in Fashion Business and Event Management.
transforms creative thinkers into strategic leaders.
Learn strategic management,
Brand building and retail analytics.
master marketing,
Consumer behavior.
and trend forecasting.
Understand event curation
Experiential design,
and live brand engagement.
build financial acumen, supply chain insight, and leadership confidence.
Graduate ready to scale businesses and captivate crowds.
Step into careers like
Fashion brand manager.
retail and merchandise head,
Strategic marketing lead.
event and experience director.
Business development leader.
For 38 plus years, JD has shaped creative leaders with real industry exposure.
Expert mentors, advanced tools, and platforms like the Iconic JD Design Awards.
With placement support and a powerful alumni network,
Your leadership journey begins here.
ready to turn your passion for fashion into strategic power and market impact?
Get the JD Edge.
Apply now.
Visit our site.
Talk to a counselor.
Visit your nearest JD campus.